Hey Karters, I'm back. So this quick video is how to remove the throttle cable from the Mikuni 28mm TM Flatside carburetor. So I already took out one screw. Now many times these screws are very soft and the heads will be rounded off. So in that case what you'll want is a pair of Vam pliers. Vam pliers are serrated on the tips and it'll help you grip and then break them loose. Then you can use your screwdriver to take them out. I pick up my Vam pliers from SwedeTech, and they also sell Allen screws, stainless steel Allen screws that you can use to replace the Phillips for the carb tops and the carburetor float bowls. So we're going to take the two screws loose. Like I said, I already took one loose. Then you're going to have your slide, your needle, a spring, and your carb top. So for me, it's easier if I use my left hand and I use my fingers on my left hand to pull the spring back. And then I'll hold it like that. Then you have this little green plastic tab that has to come out. So it's the cable retainer. So if your carburetor is used, has fuel in it, or it's been sitting for a while, this tab does not come out easy. So then what you would have to do is use a pair of pliers. So this one in this situation, oh actually that came out too easy, but oh well. That tip needs to be up inside the spring. So if you're having a hard time with this retainer coming out of the slide itself, what you can do so I'm just holding that like that. What you can do, since it came out so easy, you can reach in and grab that little tit like that, pull it out. Let's see, maybe I should try to do this for you with the retainer in. Now this retainer is D-shaped and the cutout in the slide is D-shaped. That has to match. And again, the tit on the retainer has to be facing upwards inside the spring. And I missed it. Go like that. Hook it on. Rotate the retainer. Okay. Alright, I'm going to pull the spring back. Again, the retainer fell out a lot easier than I anticipated for this video. So it actually made it look like I knew what I was doing. Now the other thing you also don't want to do is you don't want to stretch the spring out or deform it, because then you can run into sticking throttle. So again, I hold it with my thumb. If that does not come out, you can grab the little tit with a pair of pliers and then pull it out. And then wiggle the throttle. You'll see how the cable has a ball end. The ball end goes inside the cable holder, inside the slide. See, inside the slide there's that cable holder. Now one side's slotted, so you're going to turn around and you're going to drop. You're going to drop the cable inside the slotted cable holder. Make sure your retainer is aligned with the slide. And again, sometimes it does help to have a pair of small pliers. Now it's seating all the way at the bottom, and you put the spring back on. So that's really about it. Now, to remove the needle itself, out, spring out, retainer out, unhook the slide. You'll see there's two screws inside that slide. You have to remove those two screws in order to remove the cable holder. Then you can push the needle up, and on the needle you have a needle clip. So that's how you change your position or change the needle altogether on this Mikuni 28mm TM Flatside carburetor. So I hope you found this tip helpful.